Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joining a bunch of other mamas on Mom Tip Monday. Mom Tip Monday was started by Emily, so I will leave her channel information down below so you can check out her channel as well. But basically what this is every Monday a new mom will have a different video on a tip. So each month has a different topic, and the topic from March is organization, which you know I love. So I'm going to share with you how I organize our small deep freezer and our freezer on our refrigerator. Last week, Carrie did an awesome video on how she organizes coupons. So if you would like to check that out, I will also leave down in the description below the link to that video as well. My first tip is to get recycling bins to organize the deep freezer. I love these bins because they are sturdy, they have a nice handle which makes them easy to get in and out, and as you can see here, they are nice and big inside. I am a big fan of any container that stacks for the freezer. So here I have two of these containers that stack that I keep our bread and our tortillas in, and it just helps separate it so they don't get smushed. Another tip is to use all the space that you have. So in between both of my stacking bins, I have this little bit of space that I am able to fit a few items. I love using these clear shoebox bins to help separate items in the freezer. On the top shelf, I am able to fit 3 of those boxes. I have one in the very back, and it's so easy for me to reach everything. I was super excited to discover this. This shelf right here is made for a cabinet. It's an under the cabinet shelf. I decided to stick it in the freezer, and I've attached it, as you saw there, with binder clips, and it is on there sturdy, guys. This pizza box also gave me the awesome idea to put a shelf right there. So I plan to have that as a DIY coming up. To help keep track of what is inside each of my freezers, I have a list on Evernote that I like to keep on my phone. That way I can refer to that anytime I'm at the store or anytime that I am trying to make a menu plan for the week. Next week, Stephanie's going to bring a video to you about organizing baby clothes. Thanks for watching, guys.